Get yourself ready for some spicy Risk of Rain 2. Modded as well. Yeah, we put so many mods in this game, it's real funny, like, because the funny dog, yeah, that's right, the funny rock is here, and he's here to stay.
You're as good as my girl was eating my ass last night.
What? I don't think Twitter would like that.
Was it good?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
That was the first time. It was great.
Now, how do I start putting
Oh, more repulsion plates.
YouTube videos on fucking OnlyFans? Because I'm just busting like that, yo.
Golden Dragon 21.
Sucky Wookie.
Sucky Wucky about to bust a nutty good nutty.
That's gay. And as you must know, that I don't fuck with that gay shit. What is Charybdis? Sherbadries?
Oh, I forgot to put my
Pete.
fucking big titty
Pete.
rice bitch on.
Come on,
Oh.
Pete. Oh, you made it.
What's Nemesis Enforcer and Regular Enforcer? He's got the goofy hammer.
Look at some of those fucking dude. It's fucking look at that shit. It's the fucking Doom guy.
Yeah. Why is there one that gives him a hand? I did not want to see the fucking
Oh, dude,
Void
hold on, wait,
Fiend
go back
with
to that guy.
fingers.
Void Fiend looks like a fucking shrimp.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that by the very least that, you know, there's no
Titties.
uncensored titty parts. Oh,
Definitely
Jesus
titties.
Christ.
Oh, you like that? Oh, yeah. Who was
Why
that?
did they put a furry in Fortnite?
who was that? Hold on, wait. I haven't seen that mod yet. Who was that?
There's a furry on my loader.
I'll load the furry up. Oh, no, I got
Oh, Hooper feathers.
Yo, yeah. Guilty.
I'll
do it again. Yo, yo, yo.
Oh, yeah, that's the one.
Guilty. Yo, I'll
Wait,
do it
there's
again.
Multiple? There's different flavors of furry. This is
This blue and
fucking
white one's gotta be
disgusting.
crispy as.
Man, everyone likes a good furry. No one likes a good furry.
No one likes furries. They're not human.
Yo.
Oh, you like
Yo.
I know what I have to do, but I don't have strong to do that thing.
Oh, I bet she'd do it with her wet furry tongue.
That's a surprise. That'll help with the thing.
In the
No one's home.
Apex Legends.
Yo.
Playing Apex Legends Genshin.
Yo. I'll do it again. Yo. Honestly, dude, I don't. I'm not for abortion, but like any person who's a furry should have been aborted, honestly. Well, dogs are dogs, so I don't
Not
care.
Infinite Mountain, try my ass.
Yo. Guilty. The demons made me do it. The demons told me to. Yo.
Oh, you got the bandolier. You got the bandolier. Right click.
Is it Garfunkel?
Use your M2. Use your secondary. Use your grenade thing.
I am.
Go see Garfunkel, the
What the frick?
acclaimed actor go see Garfunkel.
What the frick is that?
Clearly you're not smart.
Who said I was smart?
Some
Idiot. You.
the man
Yo.
from the place.
Mickey?
You.
I I do need at least one gasoline before we start the sprinter.
Okay, daddy. I didn't get a bandolier, bro.
You definitely do.
Oh, I did.
Don't you fucking automate, dude?
Batman. I caught a little
What was the
Pokemon, Batman.
I got a Lupani, Batman.
No, you're
Batman, I caught a
someone
Lupani.
do Batman, okay? I'm gonna do the mediocre. I caught a little Pokemon here, Batman. Really? I have to do it my
You'll
fucking
think-
self.
Yeah, you have to do everything
Yes.
yourself, you loser.
Fuck you. Batman, I caught a little Pokemon. Pokemon is good for me.
A midget that got offended.
Joker, no!
Hey,
No, I'm gonna
Infernius.
do that thing, Batman.
Hey, Infernius.
Joker, it's an animal.
Are you
Batman, I'm gonna do it, Batman.
are you a midget? Are you a midget bullier? What about you, Uguay? Are you a midget bullier?
I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna take that as a yes. I mean, do you bully small children on the internet?
No.
Oh, you don't? You should. Oh, what the heck is that?
I held down right click for 2 seconds. Oh, I got the window. I win.
This is going great.
Here, hold down shift.
Yeah.
Have some band oilers.
My bandolier, bro.
Yep. Then you can just spam right click. Or you can spam shift while tapping right click. You don't want to hold right click. Okay, stop.
You deserve to be the shot, Dad. Hey, we should do Void Link.
Oh, really? I think we should do Mithrix first.
Okay. Bro, I'm so friggin' fast.
Just hold down shift. I'll shoot down the things. Okay, stop.
You have 569 items.
This is how you win.
Get this aspect.
Aspect your mom.
Yeah, why you just don't get it? Okay, you
Huh? What?
have no room to talk about dying is gay, bro. You died the most.
Oh my god.
Bro, the red.
What is it?
Oh, hard light afterburner. Yes.
That's actually big.
What I can do.
Yeah. I will fully admit that. You're freaking homosexual. You're gay. You just don't want to admit it.
Some of those.
Bro, my FPS is insanely high.
Bro, you almost have 1,000.
Go ahead and grab one. Go and take them all.
Hey, look at me go. Alright, we need to make our way to Mithrix as fast as possible. Oh, wait, is there a shrine of order? Wait, please tell me there's a shrine of order.
Wait, there's a shrine of order? No way, bro. That
this
is what I'm
This
here
is the
for.
only map it can spawn on other than...
Turn yourself on? Whoa.
Okay, whatever you're doing, you need to stop.
Oh,
What did you just
sorry.
do? Okay, you just spawned a bunch of drones from killing things.
Boy touch security drone.
Yeah, security drones.
Bro, I need to find a Shrine of Order, and I need to find it fast. I think I see it. Nope, that's not a Shrine of Order. If one... You need some...
Oh, I have 15 desk plants. Oh my god.
What the fuck is this?
And I have 14 scorpions.
Do you have a purple item?
Bro, am I overloading? No freaking way, dude. How many PSGs do I have? Maybe Toglogger that.
Do you see a scrapper anywhere?
No.
I really need a scrapper right now. I don't want this desk plant.
That's how you lag a game.
You don't have the drop
Yes.
pod?
No, I don't think so.
We do not have drop in, no.
Yeah, it's me. Oh, you're the point. Fartus.
I can't find a freaking Shrine of Order, dude.
Don't worry, it'll spawn on commencement.
Let me know if you find fucking gasoline, please.
I do null again?
No, not null. Let's go to the shop.
Alright,
Where's
we
the
have to get up
teleporter? You don't have to go up there. There's a couple spawns.
That's just
There's
the one I
by the
know.
trees. Yeah, that one up there is guaranteed. But there's this one right here behind this tree. This one's pretty common.
Bro, no, you should keep it. You should keep the desk plants. Look at that.
Yeah, it's
Infinite
covering
healing.
like the entire map. Yeah, but there's gonna be so many of them if I do. My game's frozen. It's
Mine
slowly
is-
moving.
Mine is
Okay.
Gucci right now.
What's that? Yeah, some
Shuriken.
shurikens.
Yeah, you should really scrap these. Yo, it's on a molten
What?
perforator. The desk plants.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, how am I not dead? Gasoline, oh my god, can you spare some white items? Sure. Please?
Oh,
Got green chocolate.
Yeah.
Why do you
Oh,
have
wait,
twice
stop,
the amount of
dude.
items than me?
No, you're good, you're good.
I don't know.
They really need to make Scavenger more balanced.
Here, 3.
There's no way to balance this build the way this character works. You'd have to completely remake it into something else. Oh my god. My game is not happy right now.
My game is running smoothly at 93.
Yeah, well I don't
42,
have
yeah.
I don't have your PC. I have my PC.
I misspoke. It's at like 40 right now. How do I have 168,000 health right now? They're your mother. Imagine this guy in Eclipse, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty easy Eclipse run.
But just watching both of us waddle at like Mach speed is hilarious.
It's very nice.
Oh,
Attack the thing.
what?
Hit portal, hit portal.
What?
What?
Oh no.
Oh,
Did it die? Oh,
Yep.
and yeah, it's dead.
yo, no way.
Is that spare drone parts?
Yeah.
We're trying the mountain. That's not gonna lag the game.
Yo, what is this? Here.
Oh. Oh no, that's from me. I have 17 Nakota's Heritage. It drops an item upon level